everybody, it's Wayward Gypsy, just hopping on to do a really quick unboxing of my March knit crate and my April Sophie and Toffee. This is my very first Sophie and Toffee box, so I'm really excited to break into this. This is all resin stuff, and of course this is squishy yarn. It feels squishy. So let's start with the knit crate. Let's see. I'm trying to be careful not to show you guys my address. All right. And then I go ahead and do it anyway. Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, that's cute. I might actually put that on my car. Honk if I dropped a yarn ball. That is hilarious. Okay, so this is March 2021. So this I believe was supposed to be the February yarn. But, so, all right, patterns and inspiration, all the fun stuff. You can see, I didn't get the sock crate, so that won't work, but I'll get the patterns for this and this. I love fingerless mitts, so that's really exciting. All right, so the yarn this month is Vitellana Celestial. It is 90 alpaca, 10% tencel, Aran weight, 150 yards, 100 gram skein. Oh gosh, though, this is so soft. All right, so it's a really pretty dusty sort of gray blue. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I don't know, let me turn this off and see if you can actually see the color properly. A little bit better like this. Oh, that's so pretty. Can you see that? Oh, I love it. So this is super soft and I love alpaca. This is going to be a great thing to work on. And actually fingerless mitts are perfect for that. And dude, that is so stinking cute. Love it. Love it. I love my knit crate. They've been having some issues with suppliers, but their CEO is just, he's an amazing guy, and he's very communicative, which I love. All right, so let's break into this. Once again, trying to keep you guys from my address. Ooh. And it comes in a beautiful box. The Elves box by Sophie&Toffee. So cute. I love the cherry blossoms. All right. So this box, the April box, is stained glass. You can see this. So this is just the instructions, what comes in it. I did get the premium box, so it comes with some other molds and some other UV stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here are the beautiful patterns. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one. I'm going to be doing this. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, and these are those cornstarch ones. I'm going to totally put these in the sink and melt them down. Okay. I'll put them over here for right now, though. I have to be careful because my dogs love to run off with them, and then they leave little cornstarch smears all over my house that I then have to clean up. It's actually worse than like the traditional styrofoam packing peanuts. Sorry, I have my window open. It is almost 80 degrees here today, and it's just beautiful. So this is actually, I already have a mold very much like this. This is one of my favorite molds to make little containers out of. So yay, that's super pretty. Here's that gold chain for my mandala. Now, what was this? Oh, that's the light for the lamp. There they go. So the projects this month So this is actually, oh, they're doing this as the lampshade? Okay, that's super cool. That makes a heck of a lot more sense now. Okay, so that would go in that way in the lampshade. Okay, perfect. All right, so these are the gold and black UV resin. So these are what you're going to make the lead lines, right, on your stained glass with. I love that they have that teeny tiny tip. That's good. Here are the 2-part epoxy resin. I'm really excited to try their resin. I've heard really good things about it, and this is going to be the first time I am trying it. Then we have colors, magenta and purple, which are actually the extra colors. Yeah, excited to try that. I don't know. I will do some LED setting, but I don't know that I'll do a whole bunch. And then here are the regular colors, the red, yellow, and blue. So I love that they add magenta and purple because you have your basic primary colors here. And then you add in the purple and the magenta and you have even more ability to mix. And then this is just a plain flat circle mold for doing the hanging. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I am excited to try these. This is probably going to be the next thing I play with. I do have to do a whip and chat with my diamond painting today. And then I think I'm going to play with some resin. Since it's such a pretty day, I can have the window open and I don't have to feel like I'm poisoning my dogs. The April Elves box is stained glass. Seriously though, y'all, these patterns. Like, that's simple and gorgeous, but how amazing would that be hanging in your wall or hanging in your window as a sun catcher? And then these are the patterns for the lamp. So this would, yeah, that would wrap around the lamp. Oh, so pretty. I'm excited. Okay. Well, I guess that is all I have to unbox today. We have the Elves box from Sophie&Toffee and my Knitcrate for March with super, super squishy Vitellana. All right. I will catch y'all later. Bye.